Let's put concrete for the foundation. Let's wash. Cement mixer. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build a frame. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Crane truck. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Crane truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's install the room. We need to wash. Crane truck. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's finish the walls. We need to wash. Drop side truck. need to assemble. Bucket lift. We did it! Filling. Bucket lift. Press the pump. Don't stop. We need to protect the house from foul weather. We need to wash. Bucket lift. Hooray! We need to assemble. Lift crane. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Lift crane. Pump. We did it! Let's finish the porch. Now we need to wash it clean. Lift crane. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Dump truck. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Dump truck. Pump. Keep it up. Let's remove the construction waste. Let's wash. Dump truck. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Did it! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's plant the trees in the yard. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. That's all. And now we can finish construction. We need to wash. Drop side truck.